The Voice of the People's Party had recently announced candidates from East Khasi Hills district for the upcoming MDC election scheduled for the 21st of February 2025. On January 29th, 9 candidates that include Aibandaplin Lyngdoh Nonglait from Mylliem District Council constituency, Eddieson Kharumnuid from Mawlai constituency, Winston Tony Lyngdoh from Nongthymmai, Seiborlang Warbah from Mawkynrew constituency, Danny Langste from Laban constituency, Kitbors Aim from Nongthymmai constituency, Denzel Chen from Jayau constituency, Lancaster Marbanyang of Mauplang, and Strong Pillar Kharjana from the Mawkynrew District Council constituency officially filed their nominations for the election. Speaking to the media, the VPP candidates expressed confidence in their victory, citing the strong support and trust of the public in the party. They believe that the faith shown by the people so far will translate into electoral success in the district council constituencies.
Seiborlang Warbah, having been nominated as a candidate to fill a seat in the 7th Mawkynrew District Council constituency, do swear in the name of God solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India.
I, Shri Winston Tony Lyngdoh, having been nominated as a candidate to fill the seat in the 16th Nongthymmai District Council constituency, do swear in the name of God solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India.
Kemahamat ngigi barokot di MDC jongka parti di jabu ngi jakun kimat katong jongka parti dia katakan ingin sayok lah haji singi kibanwan lingba ka state executive committee kan sepen bi ka manifesto bat pin sayok hi ka kopi sa barok ki social media bagi press release mah kino ki an makanaru larangi lapoi hi ngi dai ngi lasong ko district council ngi labat ya kalakam ya kata ka por gi sala bangin ya besar banyak bangin ya pet bangin pentrikam bat kalau dongkam ngin pen bahai kita ki an
ki an kembali lang ba dani ro ma ki an ki bobon ha district council ha bang patdan hang teng pa dio ban go through kita ki an pa pero pe amar bangin syakran ki an hang ni kam long nya ban go through tan dang lai bangin go through kita ti hang teng so tho lagi badai bangin le ki bom dai tin ha ban ya ban bek hi kata agawa yadai kata hajing shan ka parti dan yai but agabede kata tiket ke bang napoi sete ro kam dan yai namar ba nangahi ngala apply both side jangka constituency na ta taw ngi ha ka jing start jangka party ta kai party ka ibet nga ban ya khon nang tai ta brang ya ka jingpha jangka party karai jangka party ma
nak liang jung MLA pat u ai ka jing kersan ne phi ne kumno pat hak de ka MDC
ti ya hadu mentahi nak liang MLA udang dan pat ni party bat nyempat yo kan hono hi nak liang jung hadu mentahi udang sabat ni bat ini dan bat ni kata kata gaji sisa, aku pernah habis kun sisa ya ibu artian sem ibu resisting siam lah, andre gaji kerman kembali lawan badan ni mah, ni hi nak parti ya bagi baik lah, baik keman, ini dan gaji kerman.